Hello everyone, welcome to Nisha's Maths Masterclass, and today we are going to learn 7th standard third lesson HCF and LCM. Okay, so first of all we have to recall something. So first of the most important thing, that is means prime number. I think from 5th standard onwards we learn about the prime numbers. Now what is meant by prime numbers? Prime numbers means the number which is divisible by 1 or the number itself. Okay, so those numbers are called prime numbers. So I think we all are know about the prime numbers. Afterwards, the second and third most important definitions are there. That is means co-prime number and twin prime number. Okay children, now see, pay attention here. Co-prime number, two numbers which have only one as a common factor are said to be co-prime number. Okay, now what is the meaning of this definition? Whatever the number will we find out, okay, so the number having 1 as a common factor. For example, see here, 1 as a common factor means I am writing here examples related to the co-prime number. Only 1 as a common factor we want, okay, only 1. So for example, I am taking here 10 and 21. Two numbers I am taking 10. So what is the factor of 10? 1, 2, 5 and 10, correct? Then 21 factors. What is the factor of 21? 1, 3, 7 and 21. See children, 1 is a common factor between both the numbers. So 10 and 21 is the co-prime number. Understood everyone? Okay. Same like next, for example, 25 and 12. Okay. So first of all, write down the factors of 25. What is the factor of 25? 1, 5, 25. Now what is the factor of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Again, 1 is a common factor between both the numbers. Therefore, 25 and 12 is a co-prime number. Understood the definition of co-prime numbers? Now next, that is means twin prime number. पहले ये समझ में आ गया बच्चे लोग? So very easy. See, co-prime numbers. Understood? Prime numbers and then co-prime number. Now moving to next, that is means twin prime number. That is also most important definition and most important numbers. Both the numbers are very useful for MPSC exam, scholarship exam and your 7th standard exam too. Okay? So twin prime number. Now I am reading the definition. If the difference between two co-prime number is 2, so the number is said to be twin prime number. Now what is the meaning of that? Whenever we have to find out the co-prime number, okay, so in that co-prime we have to find out the difference of 2. Okay, we have to find out the difference of 2. For example, see children, now I have got these examples, 3 and 5. Okay, so I am writing the factor of 3, 1 and 3. Okay, and 5 factor is 1 and 5. Okay, these are co-prime number. It is confirmed because 1 is a common factor. But what they said, they want the difference of 2, means 3 and 5. How many difference between them? 2. Therefore 3 and 5 is twin prime number. Got my point? Now next, for example, 11 and 13. 11 and 13. Okay, we have to write down the factors of 11. 1 and 11, correct? And 13. 1 and 13. Now see, 1 is a common factor, therefore it is co-prime number. And what is the definition? Two co-prime number is, the difference between two co-prime number is 2. So 11 and 13, the difference is 2. Therefore these numbers are called twin prime number. Again next example children, for example 5 and 7. Okay, now what is the factor of 5? 1 and 5. What is the factor of 7? 1 and 7. See, 1 is common, therefore it is co-prime number. And difference between 5 and 7 is 2. Therefore 5 and 7 is also twin prime number. Got it children? Afterwards see children, practice set 10. First question is there. Which number is a neither prime number nor a composite number? I think this question we learn in 6th standard. Correct? What is the answer of this question? Which number is a neither prime number nor a composite number? 1. 1 is a neither prime number nor a composite number. Understood? Got it, everyone? Now see which of the following are pairs of co-prime. All the questions are there, children. Try to solve it at home. And if you have any doubt or any queries are there, then write in comment box. And if you like my videos, so like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.